Understanding the value of energy efficiency is key for making smart choices about energy usage in your home or business. As your natural gas company, we're committed to helping you understand this concept clearly so you can make the most of your energy and help reduce your expenses. Energy efficiency means using less energy to get the same job done, which cuts down on waste and saves resources. On very cold or very hot days, your goal is to keep your home as comfortable as possible, right? Simple measures like keeping garage doors closed and windows and doors shut can aid in your heating or cooling system not having to work as hard to keep you cozy. The benefits of energy efficiency are a smart choice for both your wallet and the environment. When you use less energy, this helps reduce your utility bills. Energy-efficient appliances, adding insulation, sealing windows, and technologies like smart thermostats can aid in reduced energy consumption, ensuring you get the most out of your energy while keeping your costs down. Beyond using less energy and saving money, energy efficiency equals increased comfort. Efficient energy use means more consistent temperatures, managing inside humidity levels, improved air quality, and reduced noise levels. Regular maintenance of your heating and cooling system is essential for optimal performance and energy efficiency. Schedule annual maintenance checks with a qualified and licensed technician to ensure your system is in tip-top shape. Interested in updating an old appliance to be more energy efficient? We offer incentive programs like rebates and discounts on various energy-efficient appliances and products. Here are some Act Now energy-saving tips. Proper insulation in your walls, attic, and pipes is crucial to keeping your home energy efficient. Regularly change air filters so airflow is not restricted. Caulking or weather stripping will help seal leaky doors and windows. Install a smart thermostat to adjust temperatures when you're away. Use low-flow shower heads to save water and reduce energy consumption. For more ways to help save money and make the most of your energy usage, visit summitutilities.com.